but Greg's giving you a lot of good information. But what do you do, well, like I said, you keep this all under your hat. Okay, you keep this all. You don't speak another word to these people. You just lay low. You just play cool, and you keep going, Greg. That's great that you tell them, but don't nobody listen to this and think that what Greg wants you to do is go out there and start saying, well, see under UCC, that don't start interpreting their code. Don't think that you're wearing the big boy pants and it's private law. You have no right to access this UCC stuff. Don't even try to attempt to bring it into a court. You will be in contempt. Do not try to use their nonsense. What you're going to do is you're going to put it all under your hat, and you're going to say, but wait a second, isn't this your law? This is not mine. UCC is not mine. I'm not making any claim to it. I know it's not mine, but isn't it amazing that my law runs unbelievably parallel with your law? Isn't that special? Now, how are we going to do this, folks? Because actually, you're breaking your own law. See, that's their law. See, my law is whatever, like Greg said, going to McDonald's hamburger place. We just created law. Me and McDonald's made our own private law. I'm going to order a hamburger through the clown's head, and they're going to give me a burger when I come through, and I'm going to give them money, and I eat the Happy Meal, and they're happy they got the green dollars. We made private law. So don't think that law is some sort of static thing that only exists in paper. Billions and trillions of laws are made every day. It's a contract. It's like a form of a contract. You know that if I don't pay for that Happy Meal, I'm in breach of the law, breaking my word, going back on a promise, all kinds of things. So like I said, Greg's telling you, guys, a lot of good stuff, but don't put it like in writing to submit with your claim. You can attach it as an exhibit and say, look at exhibit, not only is it my belief, look at exhibit A. I believe this is what your law says, but don't take my word for it because I'm not a lawyer and I'm certainly not practicing UCC. But why don't you take a gander at Exhibit A? Because I think that you guys are breaking your own law.
Well, you're saying to go and say you believe that the UCC, this UCC code here, this code works.
You don't.
You're saying you believe that they have.
No, you say, I believe that you took my property, you did not return it. Like Greg said, you dishonored my present. You didn't say thank you. You didn't acknowledge it, and all that other good stuff Greg said. But he went UCC route, which is fine. You can do the UCC 3501, 505, 507, all that stuff's lovely. You go to the security instrument, you do Title IX, whatever you guys want to do, that's fine. Negotiable instrument, whatever you want to do. That's lovely. But what I'm saying is don't you dare put it in your paperwork. You can attach it as an exhibit, but don't you dare put it in your writing or you're going to fry.
The prosecutor was very crafty on the words that he was using. He was using this is not a valid payment. He was not going down them roads where
that's fine. The only problem is that you're going to have to say, because the way you guys say it, you said prosecutor, right?
Well, he was the interloper that was the prosecutor.
Yeah, great. What was his name?
Damon. That's a real good name for a person. I think his last name.
Yeah, so what you said is Damon, greetings. Here's my payment. Have a nice day. There you go. You gave it to a man. There you go. Now he's liable.
Yeah, I put Damon all doing business as the Seneca County treasurer.
He knows what the hell he's doing.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Okay. You just keep it short and sweet.